this video once. I don't know what happened with the audio, but it was very staticky. So I'm redoing it. So I just wanted to figure out how to set a field font size in a PDF. So I came across this the function set field font size, and I'm setting it to the PDF that I want to set it to, the name of the field, and then the font size that I want to set. So you would go through setting all the font sizes for each field. So like right before my set the text field value and the value that I want to give it, I'm going to set the size that I want this field to be. So I played around with those different font sizes just to make sure it's working. So I have this is default, so whatever the default of your PDF is. I believe this is set to 20 already because this is pretty similar in size, it looks like. This might be a little bit bigger. So that was just default for whatever PDF I was using. And then this over here is font 20, and this over here is font 8. So you can see that it's actually working pretty well. It's resizing all of these fields. So this is how you would go about setting a font size using the Monkey Bread software. So you need the Monkey Bread plugin installed. Right now I just have the demo license installed. I want to make sure I can get through my entire application development before I buy another license for the Monkey Bread software to use as far as the license for the PDF functions, because you need a specific license just for the PDF functions. So I'm playing around with ones that I'm playing with the functions that I might end up needing down the line. But right now, so far, it's doing pretty well. I got the set text field value to work, and I got the set field font size. Just to go over it one more time, it's the PDF function set field font size, the PDF that you're setting, and the PDF field name, and then the font size that you want. That's how you do it. If you like this video, please like the video, subscribe to the video content. Hopefully to be posting some more videos on how to use more plugins and FileMaker functions. Thanks guys.